Okay guys, it's about 9:45 on Wednesday. OMG carpet cleaning in Flowery Branch, Georgia today. This is a basement that smells like dog. No real spots down here, but it does smell like dogs. And they're not real happy about the dog smell. I did recommend that they check the HVAC returns because a lot of times the pet dander is built up very heavily in those, and they're often overlooked. This is a 9 area job, so $360. It's about 9:45. It's 9 areas there. Three bedrooms upstairs, hallway, stairs, and then 4 areas in the basement. Okay guys, it's 11:30, so it was a 2-hour job. Took a lot longer than normal. There was a lot of paint spots. There were some sheetrock mud spots. So definitely took longer than expected. But we got finished, so. We also probably used about 4 gallons of cleaner, because like I said, this is a $360 job, so it was 9 areas. Like I said, several spots, those, like I said, with OMG, those are included. Do have an odor that we had to deal with. So this is JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. We do put people in the carpet cleaning business. Our operations manual, which includes training, running your business, and marketing your business. It's about a 300+ page operations manual. Teach you everything you know about the low moisture cleaning, as well as hardwood tile, that kind of thing. It's available for $500. So if you're looking to get into a lucrative business, this is a great one. So again, this is JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day, and as always, be kind.